Hello everybody and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna test the sound on the gopromax. So as you can see, this right now is actually the gopromax and yeah, bad lighting, and I'm using the front screen microphone, which I think it's the bigger one compared to the other one in the other side. And as you can hear, I'm talking like very close to this microphone to test it, and now a bit more far away from it. So just want to know how does it sound, and I'm talking fairly quietly. I'm not talking loud right now, so this is actually a very good test to hear how does it sound on a low volume when people speak. Okay, so this is the video. It's a bit a quick video just to make the sound sound test, and I think it actually might be a very good vlogging camera. I kinda like it. It's also kinda tiny. You don't really have to mess with the camera, and I really like it. So this is for this video. Bye.